Hello and welcome to my channel. So today let's look at the Leetcode 2024. Maximize the confusion of an exam. The question is a teacher is writing a test with true or false, and he wants to confuse the students by maximizing the number of consecutive questions with the same answer. So you are given a string answer key, and answer I is the original answer to the ith question. So also you are given an integer k, the maximum number of times you can perform the following operation. Change the answer key to t or f. So the output need to be the maximum number of consecutive t or f in the answer key after performing the operation at most k times. So there are two examples. First example, if the answer key is TTFF, then if k equal to 2, and so we can do change twice. So we can change this 2f to 2t. So there will be 4 consecutive t's. And the second example is k is 1, so you can only change either this t or this t. So you get 3 f's. So the maximum will be 3 consecutive f's. And the third example is k equal to 1. So you can change this f to t, or you can change this f to t. Both will result 5 consecutive t's. Also, let's look at the data range, 5 times 10 to the power 4. So also the value is either t or f. K is at least 1. So the question actually is very similar to another question called I think it's maybe around the 104, the max consecutive ones. So this question seems it's derived from that question. So the only difference is in this question we have 2 possibilities. We have one possibility is to change t to f, and 2 is change f to t. So we can actually try both. Try 1 and 2, and then in the case of 1, we need to calculate the max consecutive f's. Then similarly for the case 2, we calculate max consecutive t's. So try 1 and 2. We and get a maximum, get a max to return. So for each case, the algorithm is almost the same. So it's using like a sliding window, or we can call it 2 pointers. So for example, if the case in the case 1, we can maintain 2 pointer I and j. Then we so also we can keep a counter. Then case 1 is to change t to f. So if we encounter a t, we can increment the counter by 1. And if as long as the counter is smaller than k, we just keep moving the right pointer. So until the counter is equal to k. If counter is equal to k, we have to move the I and j together to the right. And also when we move, we need to decrement if the I, the old I is a value we have changed, so that actually then our counter actually becomes smaller than k. If that's the case, then we can continue expand the right pointer. So and the time complexity is O(n). In this question, we actually did twice. So, but then it's still O(n). So yeah. So let's start the coding, and maybe it will make it clear when you see the code. So so we actually we want to get the char array. We want to convert this to a char array and make it easier. Yeah, then we can actually use a function called maybe slide window. We just call it slide window, and we can put the char array and also the target. We need to target is either T or F. So when we just get the maximum of this two value. Okay, so let's do the question sliding window, and I mean do the method. So target. So here we need to have I, j, and the count, which is the count of the k, count of the operations, the change, and also the answer. So then when j is smaller than n. So oh, actually we don't have n here, so we can get n. When j is smaller than n, if the sj is equal to target, then we need to increase the count. So then if the count is larger than k, then we need to also increment I plus I, and then if old I is also target, then we can do count minus minus. Also here we need to increment j, and here we can update the answer. J minus 1 plus 1. Then we return the answer. So let's see if something wrong. Oh, no. Okay. So TFFT K. Yeah, let's try all the three examples and check if. Okay, yeah, so looks correct. Let's check if can pass. Today, I think because there is a contest going on, it's becomes slower. Okay, so it passed. Yeah, so the question is a kind of called two pointers or sliding window. And also this part is a kind of like a template. you need to you can just need to like do more practice, and you will remember this template. Then you can use it again and again in the new questions. So yeah, okay. So this concludes today. I mean this question. So if you have any comment or suggestion, just comment in under the video. If you like it, please subscribe or click like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.